I want to show you how to make stud earrings and set Herkimer diamonds, which are all irregularly shaped and double terminated. So it makes regular settings not possible. But I'm going to set with the prong huggies, the stud, like this. And basically, they're all pretty much irregular shaped. And and the best way is to have them holding on the either side of the double termination, like this. And you could leave them trimmed, or I can leave them long, and I'll show you what I mean. You can freehand by doing it like this with a pair of pliers, but I also happen to have a tool, a watchmaker's tool, that I got from Amazon for about $10. And so what I'm going to do, but you can also rig up your own by using a vise and just putting some tape around it to protect the prong, the stud, or you could drill a hole long enough for the stud to sit like this, and you don't need the hole to be very large. I figured this is the way I want this, like such, and then I hold it down. Now you could hold it down with a tool, but I'm just going to hold the top down with, make sure that's sitting right where I want it. Then I'm just going to hold it and push using the side of pair of pliers. If you have a tool that's metal that you like, you can use that, but you don't have to buy something special for it. And the reason why I use this is that, it's okay to do this when you only have a few, but when you do a lot more of them, it becomes very difficult and it's painful on the hands. So I use a pair of pliers, and then I set it, make sure every so often I take a look to make sure that it is exactly where I want it to be, so that we're still on track. And I do a little at a time in rotation so that it's not, one side is not pushing the other, and just like how we do IKEA furniture, you don't want to screw one side completely first. You tighten the sides slowly as you go. So basically I have this. Then I can decide I want it trimmed. Just want to trim a little bit. And because sometimes the facets are different for the stone, so one side might be bigger, fatter than the other, you trim this at the very end. And then now you can file them. If you want the claws to be more distinct and pointy, you can file the sides, or if you want them rounded, that is the time to file. But I'm going to file this a little later for the sake of the video, and then I'm just going to push down to make sure that they're secure. And should it be the case that, I might want to move this a little bit, I use a pair of pliers to adjust and then push down, like such. And there you have it.